And for you guys who is more interested in depth the seven bowls, please go watch the seven bowls YouTube of my presentations before. Okay. And the second layer on top of the physical layer is the mind layer. Okay, we need to know a few things here. If we do not have a physical body, there is no mind layer. Okay, so you need to have a physical body, and also you need to have a good physical body handling before you can handle the mind layer. For example, say for example, if we have an injury in our hand or arm, okay, somewhere else, we are in pain. When we are in pain, do you think we can operate our mind properly, clearly, with this? Of course, no, because we are in pain. The hand or the legs or the part of the body in pain, the mind is busy paining there, okay? So one need to have the physical layer or the physical body handle, okay, settle. The term is settle before we can get to the physical layer. And that is the reason why it's so important that the physical layer need to be in proper handling, in a loose and in a expand kinds of state. Otherwise, the mind layer is busy doing some different things, okay, and which is stuck there. So one need to have the physical layer before enter into this mind layer or handling this mind layer. So in other words, that one need to learn how to handle the physical layer before anything. Okay. Without the physical layer, you don't have a good handling on the mind layer. That is for sure. Now, within the mind layer, there is 4 functions: thinking, visualizations, intentions, and awareness. Okay, so we need to know what they are, because this is the thing we need to use it. A while ago when I said, instead of entering to the 6th room, we are sitting in the living room, try to speculate what happened within that the 6th room. That is actually trapped in the thinking. If we don't get out from thinking, we will never know what is visualization mean. We do not know what intention mean. We do not know what is awareness mean. But we always do that. Stuck in here, we talk philosophy, theoretical stuff, and so forth, so forth. Now, how can that trap in the thinking get you into spiritual? Well, it cannot. Because this is a room by itself. Okay, this is another room, this is another room, this is another room. If you lock yourself into a living room, there's no way you can clean up your other room or manage another room. You need to go to different room. Okay, so this is how important it is to understand this mind layer. And so this is the mind layer. One need to know how to handle this thing. One need to know exactly what they are. Okay. And in the mind layer, this is the fundamental, the basic level. A level on top of that is be able to drop thinking and switch thinking. For example, now you can say thinking about a dog, and then you can decide to switch, to drop the thinking of the dog into a cat. That's a drop switch thinking. So that is what is the second layer. Okay, the second level. Okay, So in other words that you have the 4 function here at the first level. The second, you need to have the drop and switch. Okay, second level here. This is first level. So why do you need that? Because if you want to settle the mind layer, you want to settle the mind layer, you need to know how to drop and to switch thinking. For example, if your thought is trouble you, you need to be able to drop it. Otherwise, your intention will be whole bunch of filled with whole bunch of worries. Your mind will feel a whole bunch of worries. Your intention will be not pure but distracted, and that means your shen is not pure. Your shen is not going to be focus or pure. Okay, it will distract, and it will be draining, and so forth. So for anybody who train internal art, need to train their intentions, their shen, to lead their qi or the jing. Sometimes if one doesn't know these 4 functions, and one do not know how to drop and switch the thought, well, forget about it. So that is the link to the spiritual and to a lot of different stuff of handling the body. Okay, so that's the what need to be learned in the mind layer. Now, after mind layer, we get to the breathing layer.